Hello everyone, my name is Memory Makobele and today I'm excited to share a simple but powerful teaching resource I created to help the young ones from understanding the concept of addition and subtraction in mathematics. So this is my math hands addition tool, designed especially from the early primary learners to promote deep learning, engagement, and joy in learning mathematics. This tool consists of two hands out, yellow 10 frames on each hand to help with counting, colorful number circles from 1 to 10, math symbols such as addition, subtraction, and equal sign. There are so many ways to add. For example, to add 10, we can use 5 and 5 to find 10. So let's count. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. How do we do that? We now start counting. The first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, don't forget to use the plus sign. Plus another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. Let's count the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus another 5 from our other hand. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, because we use the plus sign, we are now counting the 5 from here and the 5 from here together so that we can find our answer, which is 10. Let's start counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We got our 10 by counting and adding the fingers we have on our chalkboard. Okay, so now let's count another number. Which one can we use? Let's use 8. By finding 8, how do we do that? We start counting from this finger to this finger. How do we do that? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are here, which means this one, they are not useful for now. This one are not useful for now, learners. So let's fold them like this. Fold your fingers. You can fold your fingers. Fold your fingers. Fold your fingers. Okay, let's start counting. Let's start from the beginning. We are looking for our 8 through the addition sign. The addition sign, which means you add fingers from here and here to find 8. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, we got our 8. So now let's begin with what? The subtraction sign. What does subtraction sign mean? Subtraction sign, it means you remove fingers from your hands, both your hands, or it can be one of your hands. So which number can we use now? Which number can we use? 2 minus 1. Let's count 2 from these fingers. 1, 2. So this one, we don't need this one because we only need 2 fingers. So they say subtract 1 from 2. And we have our 2. Here's our 2 learners. Let's count our 2. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. So now, let's subtract 1 from 2. How do we do that? Let's count. 1. That's only number we need. 1. So minus 1 from 2. Now we remove 2. How many are we left with? We are only left with 1 finger, which means when you subtract 1 from 2, you are only left with 1. Subtraction sign means remove, which means you remove fingers from what? Your hands. It's either this one or this one. So now, what numbers can we use? Let's choose from these numbers we have here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which one can we use? We only need 2 numbers. So which one can we use? Learners, let's choose 2 and 1. Let's start. We need 2 minus 1. Let's count 2 from these fingers. 1, 2. So this one, we don't need this one because we only need 2 fingers. So they say subtract 1 from 2. And we have our 2. Here's our 2 learners. Let's count our 2. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. So now, let's subtract 1 from 2. How do we do that? Let's count. 1. That's only number we need. 1. So minus 1 from 2. Now we remove 2. How many are we left with? We are only left with 1 finger, which means when you subtract 1 from 2, you are only left with 1. It's our fingers. Then we can start by learning the minus sign. The minus sign, it means you remove. Okay, so now this is our hand and it consists of 5 fingers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they say you can minus 1 from this 5 and you can take out 1 and you are left. Now you are left with only what? 4 fingers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this tool is to show you that you can use both of your hands to do mathematics. For example, you can use your hands to do subtraction and addition. So now both of your hands. Now I think we are done with our own mathematics for today, and I hope when you are doing your mathematics to the upcoming grades, you try and do this mathematics too. Goodbye, learners, and I hope you try this in your classroom. Bye.